So lately, as one does, I've been thinking about summer and all that the season entails. My mind has specifically been reflecting back to the way I used to feel as a child about these oh so coveted next few months. I couldn't help but recognize the vast difference between my mindset then compared to the way that I view the season now. With bated breath, as far as I was concerned, summer break could never come soon enough, and when it finally did, its ending always came far too soon. I'm not exactly sure when or how the childlike wonder I once felt about this time of year faded. But with all that in mind, my hope is to somehow, even if just a little bit, reignite the spark that was once there. I'm sure this will come to the surprise of absolutely nobody, but when I started thinking about ways that I could kind of reinvigorate that spark, my mind instantly went to how I could do so in terms of house and home. So with all that in mind and said, here are a few simple and affordable ways that you can add and do to your spaces that will hopefully reignite a spark for the season if it's not quite as bright as it once was, or at the very least, make the most of the season. Specifically during the summertime, I'm always looking for ways to add bits of fun patterns and brighter colors to our spaces, even if they don't necessarily jump out at you automatically. Fun pops of colors and patterns, even inside of drawers, can be a really fun way to add a bit of whimsy to your space. Today I'm using stick-on wallpaper that we found at Target. Now, I have actually applied adhesive wallpaper to the interior of my drawers before. The difference with this project is that I'm actually creating a cardboard template to wrap the adhesive around so that if and when I end up changing my mind, I can easily remove the piece itself and there will be absolutely no unwanted sticky residue left.
Two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Run fast, nowhere else to go, but I'll try. Find no way to be, brand new way to see.
We've all been there before. The second we get the tiniest of whiffs of that nostalgic scent, it brings us straight back to the place we were when we experienced it for the very first time.
Sending a red alert, you know how to make it hurt. Gave you a dime, go buy you some time.
Surrounding yourself and filling your home with seasonal scents is a very practical and simple way of creating an atmospheric experience. Whether it be a hand soap that smells like fresh honeysuckles, a candle that resembles the scent of morning dew, or even a shower gel that if you close your eyes just long enough, upon using it, you'd swear you were holding the ripest piece of your favorite summertime fruit. Whatever summery scent strikes your fancy, layering areas of your home with the aromas will ultimately just remind you of lovely memories past and ultimately why the current season is something to be grateful for. Vintage and antique prints are one of my favorite pieces of artwork to frame. They're often affordable, contain pretty much any subject matter that you can think of, and best of all, in my opinion, they are original pieces. Choosing seasonal content that is unique to your family can be a really fun way to add a sense of whimsy and personality to your walls and ultimately your home. When I think of summer, I think of really trying to simplify my life, a home that is kind of easy, breezy, fresh. And one of the ways that I kind of keep the home feeling that way is by making my own cleaning products. I realize making your own cleaning products seemingly contradicts simplifying your life, but my recipes, I promise, are extremely easy, have very few ingredients, and they work on all surfaces. So I have used this all-purpose base for years. I already went ahead and put my vinegar in because I tend to spill absolutely everything, but it's very simple to remember. Just 2 ingredients to start with, and that is 1 part vinegar, and then the next part is going to be water. My mic wasn't working at this point, but I was basically explaining that when I am not trying to get fancy, I will just use the simple 2 ingredient mixture of equal parts water and vinegar. We are preparing ourselves for summer mode. We're getting fancy, so we are going to add that ingredient that is going to make our home feel like a breezy, lovely summer's day. This last ingredient is what I tend to switch out seasonally. Soft floral scents are really fun for the spring. I tend to lean towards more brighter citrus smells in the summer, and in the winter months, cypress and fir is one of my absolute faves. Now for the scent portion, you can either use essential oils or the actual fruit itself. I like to use both. Just know that 1 to 2 drops of the essential oil is equivalent to 1 to 2 tablespoons of the citrus juice. And as far as the recipes go, when I am using essential oils, I usually insert about 10 to 15 drops according to how strong the scent is. And when I'm using the actual fruit itself, I'll use about 8 to 10 tablespoons, or about 5 lemons in this case. For harder to clean areas like sinks, bathtubs, and toilets, I will go ahead and spray my mixture until it is completely soaked. Sprinkle on a layer of baking soda, let it sit for about 15 minutes, give it a good scrub, and it will be as good as new. Anyone who knows me knows that I narrowly meet a puzzle that I do not like. And if you've taken a peek inside of my puzzle collection, you'll know that some of my favorites to choose from are those with specific seasonal themes. And I'm not quite sure what it is, but I cannot find it within my being to put together a seasonal puzzle that is out of alignment with the current time frame. Let me see you smile. Let me see your pretty teeth. Yay! Pretty! Pretty girl! Wrong one. Think of